Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Cardano price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the first time I provide an analysis for Cardano on this channel, and of course this is based on your request, guys, and it is always a pleasure, of course, to give you what you want. And here we go. We have an impulse toward the upside, finishing wave A or a wave 1 in the orange scenario. After this, of course, we have another 1-2 here. So we are probably the first scenario is double 1-2s. Yeah, so in the orange, you have the first one. In the yellow, you have the second one. We have finished 1-2, 1-2 probably, and you are looking, of course, to continue this impulse toward the upside. Meaning, if you are in a 1-2 here in the yellow count, you would like to see 1-2. Probably this is a wave 3, 4, and a 5, 3 and a 4 and a 5. And continuation toward the upside. However, the idea here, of course, we have to seek if we are impulsive, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You still need one more leg, meaning here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, you still need one more leg toward the upside to reach the 1.618 to say that you are 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing your wave 3 in your yellow count, and then 4 and a 5. And then start to finish the orange count, of course, for your bullish scenarios. This is your ultimate bullish scenario. Now, that is a medium bullish scenario where we have to follow now the blue count. Following the blue count, you have an A B, and a C towards the upside. Impulse, correction, impulse, WXY, of course, and finishing a wave C exactly here. After 3 waves up, you would like to seek for 3 waves down. We got the WXY. Is it probably 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a wave C after, of course, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as an A, B, and a C. Meaning, this scenario will stop exactly at the wave 5 in the yellow count, yeah, where your wave C has started exactly here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4 and a 5. This is what you probably expect, of course, for a wave C. In, of course, case you have a blue count, probably now your bearish scenario, you have to also follow the blue count. But here comes the probability for lower prices, where you come here for 3 waves correction, not enough as correction, and then transforming this to a zigzag, even when getting one more wave here, because you have an impulse, correction, impulse, turning it into 3 wave zigzag, and then moving for one more wave C towards the downside, meaning magenta scenario A, B, and a C towards the downside. And this is a bigger correction before moving for higher for a wave C, meaning your blue count can be an A, a B, and a C here, and then 3 waves down, continuation towards the upside. Or it can be A, B, and a C, 3 waves up, bigger 3 waves down, and then continuation towards the upside. Now, the key difference is exactly at the 1.618. This is your key level. This is our crossroad between bearish and bullish scenarios. A quick overview, of course, on the 4-hour chart here to see what's going on inside this area where we are still looking, of course, to finish an impulse toward the upside. As you can see, we have here a kind of a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now your wave 5 is very truncated here, yeah, for your diagonal, which is, yeah, you know me, I don't like it when it is very short. Normally it can be, but this one is very short. However, the problem is there is impulse after it, and we cannot count here impulse, or neither here we can count an impulse. So definitely this looks like a leading diagonal, and a wave 2 then moving toward the upside. Wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now your wave 4 went very, very deep. Again, as you can see, as an A, a B, and a C. So what's happening here is that you probably finished a wave A, and then this is definitely corrective for a wave B, and you're looking for a wave C. In the case you are looking for wave C, you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, not invalidated yet. You did not reach, of course, the invalidation for this scenario, meaning the invalidation is still, of course, active. Invalidation of bearish. If you get to this price, guys, that means, of course, you are moving toward the upside. You have invalidated the impulse, which is moving downward. And if that happened, then there is no more, of course, bearish. Probably you are moving toward the upside, 0.86. The scenario where you have finished a WXY finished here as well, let's say, and you have touched, as you can see, the 0.618, which is very, very low fib level for a wave 4. In case you have buttoned here for a wave 4, then you are looking for higher prices. In this case scenario, you would like to take the invalidation point and continuation simply toward the upside. Now, of course, highest possibility still for the impulse, since it is not invalidated yet, so I'm still seeking for a wave 5, only in the case that, of course, we get invalidation and then, of course, continuation toward the upside. A quick also overview a little bit in the 1 hour chart to give a little bit the highest possibility. 1, 2, 3, 4, your wave 4 invalidated this impulse, so there is no 1, 2. Yeah, there is no 1, 2, guys. This is a corrective and yeah, possibly still moving toward the downside. That was it for ADA. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.